Coding problem 692. Top K frequent words. Half of all submissions fail one hidden test case, and it is not the count. It is the tiebreaker. Today, the clean sort solution, and the rule most people forget. The problem: you are given a list of words, and a number k. Return the k words that appear the most. So if a word shows up 4 times and another shows up twice, the one with 4 wins. Easy first read. Here is the catch. When 2 words appear the same number of times, the alphabetically earlier word wins. So between coding and leetcode, both with 2 appearances, coding wins. C comes before L. This compound rule is where most solutions break. Walk through an example. The input is I love leetcode, I love coding. K equals 2. Count it up. Love appears twice. I appears twice. LeetCode appears once. Coding appears once. Sort by the rules, bigger count first, then alphabetical on ties. The order is I, love, LeetCode, coding. Take the first 2, I and love. 3 moves. First, count every word into a map. Second, sort the unique words by the 2 rules in order. Third, take the first k entries and return them. That is the whole approach. Step 1, the count. Walk the input list once. For each word, either start its tally at 1, or add 1 to its existing tally. After this loop, the map holds every unique word and how many times it appeared. Step 2, the sort. Pull the unique words out of the map. Now sort them with a compound comparator. First, compare counts. The bigger count comes first. If counts are tied, fall through to the second rule. Compare the words themselves. The alphabetically earlier word comes first. Localized string compare gives that for free. Step 3, the slice. The sorted list already has the most frequent words in front. Just take the first k and return. Done. The numbers. Counting is linear in the input. Sorting the unique words dominates. Big O of n log n, where n is the input length. Memory is big O of n for the map. Good enough for the constraint, but we are still touching every unique word in the sort. 3 traps that fail submissions. 1. The tiebreaker direction. It is ascending on the word, not descending. Get that backwards and every tied pair flips. 2. Your comparator must return a number, not a boolean. A boolean coerces to 1 or 0 and silently breaks the sort. 3. K is 1 indexed in the problem statement but slice is 0 indexed. Slice from 0 up to k, not from 1. Notice. We sorted every single unique word, even though we only needed the top k. Part 2 trades the full sort for a heap of size k. We keep the heap small. We touch each word once. Big O drops from n log n down to n log k. Smaller, faster, the answer interviewers actually want. Next time you see top k anything, count, sort, slice is the warm-up. The heap is the answer. Subscribe at CodeBrainery. And tell me in the comments, which coding problem should I crack next? Drop the number.